Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 9 of the practice exam 4 on chapter 8 and 9 for the intermediate algebra class. Suppose that $2,000 is invested at a rate of 3% compounded semi-annually. Assuming that no withdrawals are made, find the total amount after 7 years. Do not round any intermediate computations and round your answer to the nearest cent. So this being compounded semi-annually, we have to use the compound interest formula, which is A equal to P times 1 plus R divided by N to the power of NT, where here P denotes the principal amount, the initial investment, and R denote rate percent converted to decimal in the formula. Then N is the number of interest periods. Number of interest periods in a year. What it means is, if it is compounded quarterly, n will be equal to 4. If it is compounded annually, n will be equal to 1. If it is compounded monthly, n will be equal to 12. Compounded semi-annually, that would mean the n equal to 2. Then T denotes the number of years. You keep the investment. A denotes the total amount after T years. So we have to fill in all the information here. A is what we have to find out. Then P is the initial amount, that is 2000 in this case, 1 plus rate is 3%. In our problem it is 3%. So P in our problem is 2000, rate is 3%, in decimal it will be 3 over 100, which is 0.03. Then N for semi-annual, n equal to 2. There are 2 times the interest is compounded. And then number of years of the investment in this case is 7. So R, which is 0.03, divided by n, which is 2 in this case. It is 2 multiplied by number of years, 7. So keep in mind this n can change from problem to problem. So if it is compounded quarterly, n equal to 4. If it is compounded monthly, n equal to 12. If it is compounded daily, n equal to 365, and so on. So we have to compute this value here for total amount. It is 2000 times 1 plus 0.015. 0.03 over 2 will become 0.015. To the exponent, 2 times 7, that will be 14. This value can be computed in your calculator. I am using a graphing calculator, but for your class you have to use only a regular scientific calculator. Just 2000 times 1.015 to the power of 14, which is what I have shown here, 2000 times 1.015 to the exponent 14. So the caret symbol, this symbol over here is the exponent. You can find that symbol in your calculator, then plug in. So the value it says is 2463.51. So because it's a dollar amount, also we are asked to round the answer to the nearest cent. So we have to leave the answer in 2 decimal places. So write the answer in sentence. The total amount after 7 years is $2,463.51. Hope this